Space is full of mysteries, but some objects shouldn't exist at all. A sharp, curiosity-triggering line that freezes scrolling instantly. Space is already strange, but sometimes astronomers discover objects that break every rule we know. No logic, no physics, just pure mystery. Today, we're exploring 5 objects found in space that simply shouldn't exist, yet they do. The first object on our list is Oumuamua, the first interstellar visitor ever recorded entering our solar system. At first, astronomers thought it was just a comet or asteroid passing by, but very quickly it became clear this object was different. It had a long, stretched-out shape and rotated in a strange, uneven way. Yet there was no comet tail, no dust, and no signs of melting ice. Then came the part that shocked scientists everywhere. As Oumuamua moved away, it sped up, even though nothing was pushing it. No gas, no jets, nothing. To this day, experts still debate whether it was a natural object or something far more unusual. Next on our list is the Black Knight satellite, a dark, oddly shaped object that has been photographed orbiting Earth since the 1960s. The images show something that doesn't look like normal debris. Its shape is uneven, almost like a broken shield drifting through space. NASA has always said it's just space junk, maybe a thermal blanket or leftover piece of equipment, but many researchers argue the details don't match. The object's size, orbit, and appearance seem too strange for simple debris. The mystery deepens with stories about old radio signals detected decades before the photographs. Signals some believe came from an unknown object in orbit. Because of these odd clues, the Black Knight has become one of the most debated objects near Earth. No one can fully agree on what it is or where it came from. Our next mystery takes us light years away to Tabby's star, a star that behaves like nothing scientists have ever seen. Most stars stay consistent in brightness, but Tabby's star suddenly dims in huge, unpredictable drops, sometimes by 20% or more. That's far too much for a planet to block, and the timing makes no sense. Dust doesn't explain it, asteroids don't explain it, nothing we know fits the pattern. The behavior was so strange that a few scientists even suggested the possibility of megastructures, massive artificial objects orbiting the star. More natural theories exist, like giant dust clouds or broken comets, but none of them fully match the star's wild and uneven dimming. For now, Tabby's star remains one of the most confusing stars in the universe. Now we move to one of the most haunting mysteries in the universe: rogue planets, worlds that drift through space with no star to orbit. These planets float alone in total darkness, cold and silent, wandering endlessly through the galaxy. Astronomers believe there could be billions of them, maybe even more than the number of stars. But the real mystery is how they formed. Some may have been torn away from their original star systems. Others may have formed completely on their own, which breaks many rules of how planets are supposed to develop. Imagine entire worlds, mountains, oceans, maybe even atmospheres, moving through space with no sunlight, no warmth, and no destination. Rogue planets are proof that the universe is far stranger than we ever imagined. Finally, we reach one of the most disturbing mysteries in the universe: the Great Attractor. This is a massive, invisible gravitational force so powerful that it's pulling entire galaxies, including our own Milky Way, toward it. What makes it even stranger is that we can't actually see it. It sits behind a thick band of dust in our galaxy, hiding whatever it truly is. Telescopes can't get a clear view, but we can measure its effects. Space itself bends, galaxies shift direction, and everything nearby is slowly being drawn in. Scientists know something huge is out there, but they don't know what. Is it a cluster of galaxies, a giant mass we can't detect, or something completely unknown? The most terrifying question remains: what kind of object has enough power to pull our entire galaxy toward it? For now, the Great Attractor remains one of the universe's deepest secrets. The deeper we look into space, the more we realize we still don't understand the universe at all. Every strange object, every unexplained signal, every impossible discovery reminds us how small our knowledge truly is. But that's what makes space beautiful. There's always something new to explore, something mysterious waiting to be uncovered.